Explainer videos are great for pre-training before a lesson, summarizing key concepts, or even as homework assignments so students can demonstrate their understanding. Recording explainer videos in Explain Everything is impressively simple. All you have to do is tap the record icon, and everything you say and do will become a part of that video. Make a mistake? No problem. Our 3 flexible recording modes, mix, insert, and overwrite, allow you to go back and extend, edit, or cut your video however you need, so you don't have to deal with the stress of trying to nail everything in one go. Explain Everything also supports multiple content formats, meaning you can add almost anything you want to the canvas, be it an image, GIF, text box, sticky note, a selfie video of yourself explaining, and even an entire live browser. Happy recording!